What's up, y'all? We back at it. Another part of this Ghost of Tsushima, part 4. Let's get it. We about to go talk to the lady and see what happened. If we could go up this. Yeah. Alright.
Well done, Jim. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but good work with the warship.
Is that a thank you?
Don't push it. My ships can finally leave the cove. If you're itching to hire a boat back to Tsushima, I won't blame you.
We're days away from everyone on Iki falling victim to the Eagle's medicine. Or joining her army. And if Iki falls, my home is next.
All right, Jim from Yarikawa. Stick around, and you can help us clip the Eagle's wings. She rode from Fort Sakai hours ago. My scouts saw her leave with her main force.
She must be planning something. Where is she now?
No idea. She's covering her tracks well.
But she left her stronghold exposed. Now that her main force is left, this is our chance to take back Fort Sakai while it's lightly defended.
Even with fewer guards, it won't be easy to breach. The place is a prison camp. Captives are being tortured and forced to drink that witch's poison until they swear loyalty to the Eagle.
I know. I escaped once before.
Some of my best men are trapped inside. Free them, and they can help you liberate the fort. Then, I'll finally have enough forces to take the fight to the Eagle.
Tell your men to tighten the defenses around the refuge. If this works, the Eagle is going to be angry.
I hope she is.
I hope she is. Let's go, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh, I hurt myself. I need to stop falling, for real. Hurt his
At least with
legs.
the samurai, you knew what to expect. Is this eagle tribe marched around like they did?
I could challenge somebody
This
else.
doesn't have to hurt.
Ooh. We're gonna come back for you. We're gonna come back. This ain't even the right way. Let's see. See, I knew we was gonna have to come back. I knew it. I could have beat them up earlier in the last video, but oh well. I ain't getting no landmarks to help me get there faster. So we're just gonna have to run all the way there. I mean, as soon as I figure out how to get out of here. Maybe it is the boat. Nope, not this way. See, we gotta stop falling. All right. I guess it's up there. Yeah. Went the wrong way.
This doesn't have to hurt.
All right. Oh, Gamblers Wood. Not woods, but wood. Is that a waterfall? Nah, for a second I thought there was something else. But look at this cliff. That's what they had. Dang. Huh. Alright. Let's see where we gotta go. Call my horse. That's right.
your skill.
What's up? Jeez. I'm getting sloppy at this. Alright. And then they gone. Never see them again. Nah. We gotta. You know what? I'm gonna take it out on that whole fort we about to go to. I'm about to kill everybody. Everybody. Matter of fact, we're gonna go in like that. Let's change this up a little bit. Let's do this one. Let's do, what's this one? Which one do I like? Do that one. Let's see. I need the other one. Let's do that one. They about to get it.
Fight me!
Damn, he beat my ass. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. That's a warm up. Let's go to the real jump up here. Let's see. Can we climb up? No. I'm gonna do them so dirty with all you'll see. I'm gonna whoop the mess out of this fort. No mercy.
Fune's men. I can free them if I cut down the Mongols.
Back up. All right. Damn, they beat him up too fast. Let's be smart.
Is this really happening? Am I free?
No mercy.
Are you with Fune?
We were before the eagle captured us. What are you, some kind of samurai?
I'm a friend. Your boss sent me to free her crew and take back Fort Sakai.
The eagle may be gone, but she left her commander in charge. Kunbish is torturing prisoners, breaking us down before we're forced to drink the eagle's poison.
Then he won't leave this fort alive. Go. Report back to Fune.
I can fight. I will fight.
Find a weapon and join me.
I'd rather you not. You just gonna die. Dead. Let's see, can I get it from here? Can I get it from here? Dead. Who else? Y'all need to chill out. Damn. Fuck. Die. Watch out. He's just gonna steal my kill, okay? Word. Look for some more. Anyway, let's go.
May your death benefit all beings.
You couldn't save your father. What makes you think you can save his fort?
No, don't listen. Let's drive the Mongols from this place.
Break open the cages! Free the prisoners!
Damn. Damn it. Stop dying. Damn. I gotta get out of this. That was close, wasn't it? I keep missing.
Help me if you can.
Beat his ass. Die.
I should free the rest of the prisoners. Wait with me. Through the gate! Drive out the invaders!
Let's go.
Take the fight to them! Forward! This is it! Fight for your freedom! For Iki!
No mercy. What are you doing? He just killed my friend. Sucker. I won't forgive you. Let's go.
Keep going!
Keep going.
We must not fail!
Damn. No mercy. I missed. There you go.
Jin, help me.
Father?
You let your father die.
No, no!
We're clear! Move forward!
He thought he could pull the fire on me. I can do it too.
Remember the night your father tied starving bandits to trees as punishment?
Oh shit.
Not so different from this.
The eagle knew you would return, samurai. You have received her sacred drink. A gift offered to warriors and princes worthy of becoming one of her shamans.
Is that what she wants? To make me a shaman?
Your transformation has already begun. You can accept her gift, become her shaman, and learn to soar in the eternal blue sky. Or I will break you in the name of the eagle.
Her gift is a curse, and I will never bow to her rule.
Oh shit, here we go. The duel. He got two weapons. He gonna be switching up on me. Shield and staff. Let's do it.
You will hang like the peasants.
Damn. Come on.
Wasted gift.
Dang, he fast. Use up all my shit. Come on. Alright, this is the difficult one right here. I knocked the shit out.
You could have served the eagle.
I will never be her shaman.
Nice. Nice. Damn it. He got me. I'm coming back for you. Finna get you. That's what I like about this game though. The duels. Yeah.
You will hang like the peasants.
Let's go. I'm gonna fuck you up. Come on.
Wasted gift. Serve the eagle.
I will never be her shaman.
Come on.
Where is your gratitude?
You deserve nothing less than death.
Come on. You're too slow. Come on. Oh.
You waste the eagle's gift to you.
Shut
You
up.
waste the air we breathe.
Oh, that was cold. Beat your ass, boy.
Coward!
Kill them all! Take their heads!
Hold up. You don't get away. Damn, I missed his head.
You! Stop! You waste the eagle's gift to you. Your visions will grow worse, driving you to madness and death. If only you had accepted the eagle's gift.
Sucker. Boom. Dead. No mercy. Hell yeah.
Kunbish killed some of my best friends. Glad to see the coward get what he deserved. Even if it took a samurai to run him through.
He fell because we worked together. But the eagle... she knew I would come here. That's why she left Fort Sakai undefended. So I would take her bait, and Kunbish would deliver her message.
Now the bastard's dead, and she's lost the fort. Thanks to you, we can finally fight back.
Gather anyone who can fight and report to Fune. Everyone else can shelter here. With a few repairs, Fort Sakai will stand against the Mongols.
Good thinking. But before you run off, take these saddlebags. Figured a samurai could put them to good use.
I will. Thank you. Travel safely, and I'll see you back at Fune's refuge.
Okay. Okay. Useful. Okay. Nice. That's what's up. Alright. Is this a dueling? Nah, we way from there. Alright, let's see where we're supposed to go now. Pow. What's that? Oh, I can replay the duel. Okay. Yeah, because they are fun. But look, we're going to end this video right here, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Continue to watch. You still on watching after 4 episodes? I appreciate you. But we're going to keep this thing going. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.